Hi everyone, thanks for joining me in this video, where I will show you how I got unlimited resources in Royal Match with this amazing Royal Match hack. I will open up my game and you will notice that I have already used the hack, and I have a huge amount of coins, hearts, and lives. Check out my resources, they are incredible. If you want to discover how to use this Royal Match method, don't miss this video. Before you can use this hack, there is some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android, then move to the next step. First of all, you need to make sure that your Royal Match game is updated to the latest version. To check that, simply go to the App Store and see if there is any update available for the game. If there is, download and install it right away. If not, then you are good to go. Next thing you need to do is go to your settings and make sure that your battery saver mode is turned off. This mode can interfere with the mod and prevent it from working properly. So, make sure that your battery saver mode is off before proceeding further. Now that you have done these two things, you are ready to use the hack. What you need to do next is open your internet browser on your device and go to the website called oginject.vip. This website has many modded apps and games that can give you amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for Royal Match and click on it. You will see a page with some information about the app and a button that says Start Injection. Click on that button and wait for a few seconds. The website will start injecting the mod into your device, and this process might take some time, depending on your internet speed and device performance. After some time, you will see a message that says, Injection completed. This means that the app has been successfully injected into your device, and you are done. However, there might be one more step that you need to complete before you can finish the installation. This step might vary depending on your device model and operating system, but it usually involves downloading some additional files. Don't worry, this step is very easy and quick, and there will be a tutorial on how to do it on the website. Just follow the instructions on the screen and complete this step as soon as possible. Once you have done this step, you will have unlimited resources in Royal Match. So that's how you can use Royal Match hack. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this one. Also, leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this hack and how it worked for you. I would love to hear from you and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.